So today I would like to do shooting test with my handmade wooden slingshot pistol. I made this few weeks ago and it is invented by Joerg Sprave from the Slingshot channel. Honestly, I feel in love with this mechanism because it is really light, as you can see, and it has really simple mechanism, and the trigger mechanism is really smooth. Really smooth compared to my previous slingshot gun because it used two types of parts. First is the trigger here, and inside there is a steel part that is really long. That the reason when we push it, you don't need a lot of power to push it. Like that. It is cool. I like it, and it made by really solid wood. So the white side I use crocodile wood. That is type of plantation wood in my beautiful island, and the yellow side it made from jackfruit tree. And for the rubber I use 5 millimeters tubular rubbers, and for the string I use a regular string for spear gun. So everything is really solid and strong. For the green dot I just use a normal green dot that you can find on online market. So I don't want to talk more, let's do the shooting test with 8 meters distance. Alright. Okay, I put some targets over there and the distance is around 7 to 8 meters. And let's do the shooting test with this beautiful wooden slingshot pistol. Let's cock it. Turn on the laser. Okay, and let's do the aiming. Okay. Honestly, I'm not really good gun holder. I'm still learning. And this is handmade gun, so we cannot hope too much. But let's try. So, what do you think about this handmade wooden pistol? So, what do you think about this slingshot pistol? Is it cool? For me, this is really cool weapon because, yeah, it is light and it is simple and it is really perfect for body defense also. But of course, I usually use I usually use it for practice my skill only. I don't like killing animals. I don't like to use it for other bad things. I only use it for improve my skills, improve my instincts. That's all. So I hope you like the video, and if I did a mistake about grammar because English is not my nationality language, I'm still learning. Hope you can forgive me or apologize me, sorry. And hope to see you again at my next video. Too late.